Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and very good evening. Today I would like to share about mental problem. First of all, what is mental problem? It is a medical problem, just like heart disease and diabetes. Mental illness are health conditions involving changes in emotions, thinking, or behavior, or a combination of this. Mental illness are associated with distress and or problems functioning in social, work, or family activities. Mental illness is a common disease which related to our daily life. Next, what are the types of mental problem? There are depression, generalized anxiety disorder, or we can call it as anxiety, panic disorder, obsessive compulsive disorder, and post-traumatic disorder. Based on statistics in 2020, mental illness is expected to be the second biggest health problem affecting population after heart disease. Unfortunately, there is still a lack of understanding on the disease, especially in terms of common mental disorder, the causes and possible consequences, as well as recognizing the early signs of major mental problems. There is also a strong social stigma associated with mental illness from a cultural standpoint shaped by superstitious beliefs and misconceptions. This negative perception often leads patients with mental illness to suffer in silence, often oppressed by society with little hope of acceptance, let alone recovery.
I am Muhammad Hafiz bin Muhammad Fairuz and my metric number is 2011-597. As we know, mental illness comes in many shapes and size. This means that while some sufferers are able to successfully carry out their day-to-day tasks, while some might feel too overwhelmed to do so. Symptoms included the inability to concentrate, becoming distracted by a surrounding environment, difficulty interacting with others, and the inability to take constructive criticism. Such difficulties adversely impact on students' schoolwork and often exam results. Unsurprisingly, many school leavers affected by mental health problems are ill-prepared to move on higher education and employment. In my experience with anxiety, I think it's fair to say that many people forget to check in with themselves and their mental state. Sure, physical fitness is important and allows for our brains to have a break, but mental fitness allows us to sustain a good positive state mentally. When our mental health is in check, enjoy our life and people around us, and we are better to cope with the difficulties life may bombard us. It's so easy to become stressed and overwhelmed with our assignment, deadlines, term work, relationship maybe, and financial, which at times can be thrown at us all at once. It's okay to feel this way because stress is a fact of life and is actually a necessary aspect of life. Being able to recognize the source of your stress is also important in developing good mental health. So how exactly does poor mental health affect students and their academics? Firstly, it decreases the ability to concentrate, create challenge in handling assignment and deadlines, as I mentioned before, negatively affect our relationship making it more difficult to talk to each other because this handling feedback or criticism decrease energy level, hindering performance. And the last one is the lack of sleep. So in conclusion, having a bad mental health does affect your studies.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Abdullah Bashrah, and today I'm talking about how to overcome mental health suffering in science. It's important to take care of yourself and get the most from life, of course. Today we have 6 practical ways to look after your mental health. First of all, talk about your feelings. Second, keep active. Third, eat well. 4, ask for help. 5, take a break. 6, do something you are good at. Let's begin with talk about your feeling. Talking about your feeling can help you stay in good mental health and deal with time when you feel troubled. Keep active. Express. Believe. Exercise release chemical in your brain and that make you feel good. Exercise doesn't just mean doing sport or going to the gym. Walks in the park or housework can keep you active, of course. Third, eat well. Caffeine and sugar, for example, have an instant effect on how we feel. Eat at least 3 meals each day and drink plenty of water. 4, ask for help. Your family or friends may be able to provide a practical help, a practical assistance, or a listening ear. Maybe join a support group to help you make a change in your life. Of course. 5, take a break. Taking a break might include being really active. It may mean doing nothing at all. Do something good you are good at. Enjoying yourself helps beat stress. If you enjoying something, it's like you are good at, of course. And achieving something boosts your self-esteem. Thanks, that's all. And my friend Ahmed Ikhwan will continue with conclusion. Thank you again.
Hi, my name is Ahmad Ikhwan bin Ahmad Basri. My metric number is 2011511358. First of all, I would like to thank to all of my friends that recently explained the definition, the factor, and how to overcome mental problem. And now I will explain the conclusion for our video. The conclusion is mental health is very, very, very important to take care of, because if someone having a mental problem, he will not think rationally and it will lead to something unwanted situation. Mental illness also, unlike other illness that can be treated by medication. A person tend to have mental problem when faced with something hard for them. To prevent this from getting worse, preventive steps should be taken to ensure that mental health is at an optimal level. Many people are willing to spend thousands of ringgit to buy health products as well as undergo tests and treatment to maintain their physical health. But just only a few people consult with specialists to make sure that their mental health in a good condition. The involvement of all society to dare to acknowledge mental health problem as a common problem and need to be addressed collectively are required. The basic things to do are to eradicate stigma, remove indifferent and negative perception of mental health problem, that if we ignore can lead to unwanted event. That's all from us. If you have any suggestion and comment, you can put down here. Thank you for watching this video and see you next time.